Hey guys, for today's video, I'll teach you how to remove your Bitmoji. This is a very simple 3-step guide, so watch the whole video to understand and make sure you make no mistakes. First step is opening your Snapchat. This will take you to your camera. Now you want to go to chat, and then your profile at the top left corner. As you can see, this is my Bitmoji. Now, how do I remove this? Just go to settings at the top right corner and look for Bitmoji right here. As you can see, there are many options. Change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, and choose a selfie. But that doesn't matter. What we want is remove my Bitmoji. As you can see, it warned me if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in your closet. So if that doesn't matter to you, just remove it. And there we go. My Bitmoji is no longer here. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.